Hey guys, hey, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. Anyway, guys, guess what? For a couple of days now, my computer is down. I don't have my computer to use. That's the reason why I am not doing live streaming. So I took my computer to the repair shop for about 5 days now, and the repairman told me he would open it and tell me what the problem is. From that time until now, I haven't heard anything from him because he should have called me, but I haven't heard anything from him. So now I am on my way to there. So as soon as I reach to him, I'll give you an update on what is happening. So stay tuned. So guys, guess what? I have good news. Good news I have for you guys. My computer is fixed. Yes, my computer is fixed, but I'm having some technical problem in paying for it. I don't know why my card is not going through. It's telling me that the system is down when I checked it. So yes, when I checked it online, it's telling me that the system is down, but I should try back later. So I'm gonna give it a while. After giving it a while, I'm gonna try again to make the payment and receive my laptop and show it to you guys, and then we can head home. Okay, so stay tuned for that moment. So guys, I'm here now at the computer shop receiving my laptop, and my laptop is now good to go. Can you imagine what the problem was? It was virus. Yes, it was virus. So it's good now though. So guys, guess what? I can now go back to live streaming. So see you soon. Now remember, if you like my video, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share. And see you in my next video. Love you all.